So guys, I'm here having another issue with this 2011 Chevy Equinox. More problems again with this Chevy Equinox. I'm actually going to put this problem out to you guys, okay? The issue I'm having with this car is, sorry for the compressor guys, kind of don't know why that just cut in. Everything seems to be fine there. Nothing is leaking from the arrows nowhere. Nothing's leaking from the inner arrows. But it decided to cut in. One, two, three. So guys, as you can see, this is the 2011. It's the 2.4 liter Ecotec engine. In my opinion, the worst engine that was ever made is this engine. I absolutely hate this engine. And I said once in a video from the previous, I wasn't going to down these cars. But guys, this car causes so many problems. This car spends more time in the garage than what it do on the road. And as I said, I'm having another issue. The issue I'm having with this car is I'm getting a very bad, sour kind of smell inside the cab. It's not an antifreeze smell. It's not leaking antifreeze. It's not head gasket. It's nothing like that. It's not a block catalytic converter. I checked all that. I went through this car with a fine-tooth comb. I changed the air filter inside. I bought new PCV valve. I think that's what this is called. I bought all this new, even the hose going down through. I did everything. I cleaned out inside of this unit right here. I did all of that. The engine is not building any base compression or anything. If you look down inside the cap, it's completely dry. It's not burning oil, but I'm getting a bad smell. When I step inside the car, start it up, it runs fine, everything is good. Turn down the radio so I don't get copyrighted here. There's no engine lights on. Even as I'm sitting in it now, I'm getting a very, very bad smell, and I can't find the problem, guys. Don't know what it is. We'll go outside. I'll show you. The engine is running smoothly. It's not building any base compression. There's nothing inside the stopper. Everything is fine. This one is working. It's got suction. You can feel it when you put your finger over it. So that's not an issue. This is not an issue. So guys, I'm just putting this video out. If anybody has any ideas on what's causing a bad smell inside the cab of this car, can you please leave it down in the comments? And I'd greatly appreciate that. I'm sure some of you guys that watch this are car guys and you would know automatically what's happening here. I have a bit of knowledge on cars. I'm no master of nothing. I'm just a jack of trades guy, right? But I know a good bit about engines, and there's nothing visually or mechanically wrong with this that would cause a very, very bad, nasty smell inside the cab. It's not when it's running, it's more when it's idling. And it's not a leak in the exhaust. I put all new exhaust in it. Right from resonator pipes, catalytic converters, intermediate pipes, right back to the muffler. It's all brand new. Nothing wrong with the manifolds. The engine's running fine. So if anybody got any ideas on this particular 2011 2.4 Ecotec engine, let me know, leave it in the comments. I greatly appreciate it. And whoever leaves a comment and it's the problem, I'll announce it on the next video I do, whatever video that may be. And I would greatly appreciate it. So thanks a lot, guys. Keep watching. Don't forget to leave me a like down here, a subscribe over here, and I'll see you on the next one. I'm gonna go and work on this now.